Hello guys, welcome to another video of Active Directory. So in this video we will be creating a copy of a domain controller database structure. So in order to take this database to a remote controller or to a remote site, since replicating through a one link could be cumbersome or it might be very difficult. So in this case we can install from media. So let's do that. Let's create this database, or let's create this snapshot of the controller we want to replicate. So in this case I'm going to replicate this PDC 2016. So we're gonna go to the command prompt in order to do this. Alright, so I'm just gonna go open my CMD, run as administrator, and in here we're gonna run 3 or 4 commands. So let's do that. Let's create this replica. So what you want to run is Ndtutil. Just type in Ndtutil, enter. So here we're gonna be running a next command, activate instance ntds. So let's do that. Activate instance ntds. Alright, next we want to run ifn, which stands for install from media. So install from media, ifn, enter. And here we want to type in the following syntax or the following command: create full pipe, and then we have to specify the name of the folder. So in my case I'm gonna be saving this on my C drive. I'm gonna be saving this on my C drive. So let's create a folder here and let's name it ifm install from media. Alright, so C backslash ifm it says error. Okay, let's try this again. Let's remove the pipe. Okay, so we are creating the snapshot. And we have created this copy of this domain controller, so we can take this copy to the remote site and we can install from media. So let's double check our folder we created before, and in fact we have here the database structure. So now with this I'm gonna be installing a new Windows Server 2016 and then we will be installing from media. So just press quit, and enter, quit. Alright guys, so I have installed another instance. Let's say this is going to be a remote site. So I have changed the name of that PC. I have set a static IP, and let's say this server is going to be located on the west coast. So as you can see, this will be a remote location. So first we need to install Active Directory, so let's do that. Add roles and features, next. Active Directory domain services, next, next, and install. So after we install, we are going to promote this server to a domain controller, but we are not going to do this through a WAN link or a wide area network. So we will be doing it a little bit different. Okay, so we can then promote this to a domain controller. So we are going to use the same domain. Let's say our domain so we go next. Okay, so here we enter a password for restore mode. Confirm the password. Here we go next. Here we go next. And here on additional options, we're gonna click on this. But first, before clicking on there, just make sure you have copy over that file. So in my case, I put this on my C drive. So this is the file that I copy over from my from the primary domain controller. So it's the same file. So I made a copy of it. So I make sure it's in here on the C drive. I click on install media. I specify the path. Just go to wherever you put the file on. So in my case, I'm going to be using this. Click OK. Verify. So I'm going to be going next, next, next. Alright guys, so we're going to check if we have done the initial replication from our domain controller. So as you can see here, I have joined the domain using install from media. And that's how you install from media, guys. If you do find these videos useful, just give us a like, and this will help a lot the channel. Thanks for watching.